Hello students, it is Tuesday, April 6, 2021. We are going to continue with our reading lesson for today. The cursor is now moving onto the screen. Yesterday we read the title. We broke the sounds apart, we blend them back together, and we were able to read the story of our title here. Now, boys and girls, like I say, this title here correlates with this picture here, okay? We're going to review the title and then we're going to add in this first sentence, okay? Here we go. Let's review the title first. Look at your screen. Now, repeat after me. Ready? Here we go. The frog on the log. Let's repeat it again. Ready? Read it with me. The frog on the log. One more time. Let's read it together. The frog on the log. Now your turn to read the first sentence. You're going to read all these sentences by yourself. Follow the cursor. Ready? Go. Read the next sentence. Ready? Go. Read the next sentence. Ready? Go. Read the next sentence. Ready? Go. Last sentence. Ready? Read the title again. Go. Good job. Now let's come back to this screen right here, okay? You're going to read the title again by yourself. Ready? Go. Good job. Now let's read it together. Here we go. The frog on the log. Now look at this picture here. There's a frog there. And look at that. That frog is on the log. There's a log beneath the frog's feet. Okay? Now, let's come here. Let's read this first sentence together. Ready? Let's break it apart first. Let's come here. Repeat after me. Here is that sentence right here. You're going to follow the cursor. Read it with me. Here we go. I see a frog on a log. Let's read it again. Here we go. I see a frog on a log. One more time. Let's read it together. Ready? Here we go. I see a frog on a log. Now, you're going to read these sentences to yourself, okay? Ready? Follow the cursor. Go. Read the next sentence. Ready? 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 Go. Last sentence. Read it. Ready? Go. Good job. Now, boys and girls, let's read the first sentence together again. Here we go. I see a frog on a log. Now let's come back up here. Ready? Okay. We're going to read the title together and then we're going to read the sentence and then we're going to break these sentences apart again. Ready? Here we go. Read the title. Go. Read the first sentence. Go. Good job. Now, let's look at this first sentence again, okay? Let's break it apart. Look at your slide again. Look at your screen. Ready? Let's read these words by letter sounds. Now, whenever you see this, okay, this letter, you're always just going to say I. So boys and girls, say I. Say I again. Say I again. I. What's the word? I. Good job. Now, let's come here to this next word. Ready? Boys and girls, repeat after me. Say see. See. Let's break it apart. Ready? Here we go. Repeat after me. S-E. Let's sound it out again. S-E. One more time. Let's sound it out again. S-E. Now, your turn to sound it out. Ready? Go. Sound it out again. Ready? Go. One more time. Sound out the word. Ready? Go. Now, boys and girls, what's the word? What's the word again? See. Let's read from here. Read it with me. I see. Now let's come to this word. Now, easy. This letter also, you're just going to say A. Say A. Say A again. What's the word? What's the word again? A. So let's read from right here. Ready? Read it with me. I see a. Now let's come down right here. Here we go. Frog. Frog. Now let's sound it out together. Here we go. Frog. Let's sound it out again. Here we go. Frog. Let's sound it out again. Here we go. Frog. Now, your turn to sound it out. Here we go. Ready? Go. Sound it out again. Ready? Here we go. One more time. Sound out the word. Ready? Go. Now, what's the word? What's the word again? Frog. Now, let's read from here, boys and girls. Read it with me. I see a frog. Now, let's go to this next word. On. On. Let's say it again. On. Now, let's sound it out together. Here we go. On. Let's sound it out again. On. One more time. Let's sound it out again. On. Now, your turn to sound it out. Ready, boys and girls? Go. Sound it out again. Go. One more time. Sound it out. Go. What's the word? What's the word again? On. So let's go back up here. Let's read it together. Here we go. I see a frog on. Now, let's come here. Let's do this letter. Easy again. You're just going to say A here, okay? So, boys and girls, say A. 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 What's the word? What's the word again? A. Good job. Okay, so let's read from up here. Let's read it together. I see a frog on a... Now, let's look at this word. Ready? Here we go. Boys and girls, say log. Log. Let's sound it out together. Here we go. Log. Let's sound it out again. Log. Let's sound it out again. Log. Now, your turn to sound it out. Ready? Go. Sound it out again. Ready? Go. One more time. Sound it out again. Go. Now, boys and girls, what's the word? What's the word again? Log. Okay, now let's read from up here. Read it with me. I see a frog on a log. Now, your turn to read this sentence. Ready? Here we go. Read it. Read it. Go. Good job. One more time. Read this sentence. Ready? Go. Good job. Now, boys and girls, let's come back up here to our reading slide, okay? Now, I want you to read the first sentence again. You just read it. Ready? Go. Okay, one more time. Read the first sentence. Go. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, let's read it together. Let's read the title and read in that first sentence. Read it with me. The frog on the log. I see a frog on a log. That is the first sentence and the title that we just read, okay? Tomorrow, we're going to bring in this sentence to add in, okay? Now, boys and girls, get a paper and pencil. Once you get your paper and pencil, here is your reading homework that you're going to complete today. I want you to copy this down right here, your title. It says reading homework. Write that on your paper. Once you're done with that, I want you to come here to number 1 and write your question down. I want you to try and read that question there yourself. Break it apart, your letter sounds, and blend them back together, just like how we did on this slide. You see, like here, it says frog. We broke it apart. Frog. 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 Okay? Try to do that. Split your words apart and bring them back together. Once you're done with number 1, make sure you give me your answer here. Come here to number 2. I want you to write this also on your paper. And I want you to try and sound out each word and then blend them back together so you understand what this statement is asking you. And you're going to draw something in here on your paper, okay? Make sure you read that statement. Good job. Now, go ahead and pause the video right here because I'm going to log off here in a bit.